In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link elements to specific sections on your Wix website. This can be a fantastic way to improve navigation, guide visitors effortlessly through your content, and make your site more engaging. So, if you're ready to enhance user experience on your website, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Wix editor. Once you're there, you'll need to decide which element you want to link to a particular section on your site. This could be any element, like a text box, an image, a button, or even a menu item. So go ahead and click on the element of your choice within the editor. This action will activate the element's toolbar, which you can typically find either above or below the element, depending on its type and size. As you explore the toolbar options, look for the link icon. It's usually depicted as a small chain link symbol. Clicking on this icon will open the link settings dialog box. Within this box, you'll see various linking options, including URLs, email, files, and more. Now, here's where the magic happens. From the listed options, you want to select Section or Anchor. This choice allows you to create an internal link within your website, offering a seamless way for users to jump directly to specific content with ease. It's particularly useful for one-page websites, or when you want to guide visitors through a series of sections without any hassle. After choosing Section or Anchor, a new drop-down menu will appear. It might seem a tad overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's straightforward once you get the hang of it. This menu allows you to select both the page and the specific section where you want this link to lead. First, you'll choose the page if your section isn't on the same page as your element. If you're working with a single-page site, you can skip this step. Next, look through the list of sections provided. These are all the anchors, or marked areas, within the chosen page. If you're unsure about which section to select, take a moment to consider the flow you want for your site visitors, and which parts of your content are most relevant for them to see. Once you've pinpointed the correct section, go ahead and click on it to make your selection. Now, with everything in place, the equation is quite simple. A quick quality check to ensure you've linked to the correct section. And then it's time to commit by clicking the Done button. After that, you'll want to preview your site to ensure everything works as you intended, providing a smooth navigation experience for anyone visiting your site. And there you have it. You've now successfully linked an element to a specific section in Wix, enhancing both the functionality and user experience of your website. Thanks for watching,